Hi, Robin and Chet here with Sea Lake Journeys.
Sea Lake Journeys.
Well, today we're on our way to Belize.
Belize?
Can you believe it?
I can't believe it.
We're going to give you a tour of the port of Belize. Well, before we head off to Belize, we want to make sure that you guys give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It's good for the channel. It helps other people find us as well. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell.
Ding, ding.
Now, let's go to Belize.
Belize.
Belize is a tender port. The ship will anchor 4 miles off the coast of Belize. And passengers will board a small boat that pulls up alongside the ship. These small boats are called tenders. If you are in a motorized scooter or a wheelchair, you may not be allowed onto the tender. The water in Belize is often very rough and winds are usually high. Therefore, boarding a tender in Belize can be quite treacherous.
Going off today to Belize.
To Belize.
Gotta take a tender boat, so we got our ticket and we were groupers.
30-minute ride to the mainland.
Yep, it looks like it's a little bit choppy today,
Yes.
but it's gonna be fun.